Why do 50% of men over 40 experience erectile dysfunction? And can natural Viagra really help? Erectile dysfunction. It's a common issue affecting millions of men. While medications like Viagra are effective, yet many seek natural alternatives. But do they really work? Some popular options include ginseng, L-arginine, and yohimbe. Ginseng has been touted by traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. L-arginine is known to boost blood flow. And yohimbe? It's an African tree bark that might just increase blood flow to the penis. However, it's important to note, scientific evidence is limited. Results vary, and natural supplements can interact with medications or health conditions. Always consult your healthcare provider before trying these. Remember, while natural remedies offer potential benefits, they aren't a substitute for medical advice or treatment. Stay informed, stay safe.